Hello, my friend, and welcome. A question I have for you today is, do you like watching car restoration shows where they fix up the car from absolutely nothing and turn it into something that's worth something? Now, if that's you, you may be interested in today's video because today I'm going to talk about a automotive program, and that program is the Certificate 3 in Automotive Body Repair Technology. In other words, learning how to become a panel beater. What is this course about? It's about teaching you all about how to repair damage to metal, fiberglass, and plastic bodywork on vehicles and form replacement vehicle panels. Now, there are 31 units to complete over 75 weeks, so that's almost 2 years. And you're expected to study for 20 hours per week. Why do this course? Because the industry has a strong growth outlook for the future. It's also a skills shortage in Australia and on the national skills shortage list. Now, what this means is that it can provide you a future pathway to a 485 graduate visa, which enables you to stay in Australia that little bit longer, up to 18 months, and give you the expertise and experience as part of what you've learned in your course. Now, the other side of that as well is that it can also lead to a possible permanent residency. But I'd like to caution you here that you should never do a course just for permanent residency, but because you are a genuine student and you're genuinely interested in this particular field, because you will find this useful for when you go back home. Possible employment outcomes could lead to a number of jobs such as an auto body restoration technician, or a heavy vehicle body and chassis repair technician, or a motor trimmer, or a panel beater, or a spray painter, or a vehicle glazing technician. But one thing here is I'd like to recommend to all of my clients to jump on the website www.seek.com.au and for them to undertake their own research about specific occupations and industries. Now, this website is one of Australia's leading job boards, and you can see on the website how many different jobs there are in different industries and what the average wages are, and also how many part-time jobs are available, because as international students you're only allowed to work part-time and up to 24 hours per week. Now, just before we continue with this video, if you're finding this content useful, please click on the like button, as this helps to grow the channel, and please subscribe to keep up to date with any changes that may come up. And before you leave today, please let me know what is it that you found most useful in this video and what is it that you would like more information about. So without holding you up any further, let's continue with the video. So what is the cost of the investment and what type of support will you receive? At the time of recording, the fee for this particular program is 24,500 AUD. Now, this may go up or down depending on the institution that you end up studying with. And also, there are sometimes specials throughout the year as well. The good thing about it is that a lot of the institutions offer monthly payment plans, so you are not required to pay this upfront as one total lump sum. And the institutions also provide learning materials such as learner guides and assessment materials and things like that. But the other great thing about this program is that you do end up receiving your own tools and uniform, but you must provide your own work boots. To be eligible for this program, you could either be male or female over the age of 18 years old. And you must have completed a Year 10 Australian equivalency or Form 4 of high school. And you must have an English level of at least 5.5 of IELTS. and you must also be reasonably fit and capable of lifting between 2 and 15 kilos, as there are chances where you will sometimes burn your feet for long periods of time working overhead with different kind of components. So you must have some level of fitness. So where is this program located and what is your pathway for once you've completed the Certificate 3? You have the option of studying in Brisbane, Queensland, or on the Gold Coast in Queensland, or in Parramatta, New South Wales. Now, as an education agent, I do work with other schools. So if you're looking for a school in other states, please let me know and I will be able to assist you in that situation. Now, with the pathway, once you complete the Certificate 3, you'll then be able to enroll into the Certificate 4 in Automotive Mechanical Diagnosis. And then once you've completed that qualification, you are also then eligible to apply for the Diploma of Automotive Management. If you are looking to study in Australia, you'll need to make sure that you've got access to a good computer. Now, this could be either a desktop computer or a laptop computer. Do not try to undertake any courses in Australia on a tablet or on your phone. If you would like further information about this course and would like to get in contact with myself, if you're watching this video on YouTube, down below in the comments section, I have a link to my online form, as well as a link to a free booking system. The online form provides me your information so that I can organise to get in contact with yourself. Otherwise, you can click on my booking link and click on the specific day to identify the available time that is best suitable for you. And we can organise a 30-minute free consultation in order to identify what is it that you're after as a study option and what is it that you want to do in the future in Australia. And in the next video, I'm going to provide you with more information to consider when studying in Australia.